Orange Solar Tent Concept. The Orange Solar Tent Concept is a futuristic camping tent designed to combine comfort, technology, and solar power. Unlike traditional tents, this concept uses solar-woven fabric and adjustable solar panels to capture sunlight throughout the day, storing energy to power devices and keep the tent functional off-grid. Inside, a smart control hub lets you monitor solar energy levels and manage the tent's features. The tent includes a wireless charging pad for phones or small devices and even a heated floor to stay warm on cold nights. Its unique design also features glowcation technology, which allows you to locate your tent at night with a subtle glow on the exterior, perfect for busy campsites or festivals. Though it's a concept and not yet in full production, the Orange Solar Tent showcases what the future of camping could look like. Energy efficient, tech-savvy, and incredibly convenient. The Pocket Sink is a small, portable hand-washing station designed to make staying clean easy, wherever you are. Perfect for camping trips, outdoor adventures, travel, or emergency situations, it brings the convenience of running water to places without plumbing. Despite its compact size, it includes a water reservoir and a simple pump system that provides a steady flow of water, so you can wash your hands or rinse small items anytime. Some versions even include built-in soap dispensers or foldable stands, making setup fast and hassle-free. Lightweight and easy to carry, the Pocket Sink fits in a backpack, car, or RV, so you can take it anywhere. Its durable design ensures it lasts through repeated use, while the simple refill and cleaning process keeps it convenient for daily or outdoor use. Pomoly Lumberjack Fast Fold Stove. The Pomoly Lumberjack Fast Fold Stove is a portable, foldable wood-burning stove designed for serious campers and outdoor adventurers. Made mostly from titanium, it's lightweight, strong, and heat-resistant, making it perfect for heating tents, cooking, or even baking while camping. The modular design allows the firebox, chimney, and legs to fold neatly into a compact carry bag, making it much easier to transport than traditional tent stoves. The stove's firebox measures about 34 x 27 x 31 centimeters, and when packed, it reduces to around 36 x 29 17 centimeters, weighing roughly 5 kilograms. Despite its compact size, it offers multiple cooking options: oven mode, barbecue mode, side shelves for pots, and an extendable chimney for proper ventilation in a hot tent setup. Lighting it up inside a tent provides warmth and a cozy atmosphere for cold weather camping. ProCampTech Fire Strip Roll. The ProCampTech Fire Strip Roll is an essential tool for anyone who loves camping, hiking, or spending time outdoors. It makes starting a fire quick, simple, and stress-free, so you can enjoy your adventure instead of struggling with kindling and matches. Each strip is designed to light easily and burn steadily, giving you a strong, reliable flame even in windy or damp conditions. The long, flexible strips can be placed exactly where you need them under wood or charcoal, helping your fire catch fast and burn efficiently. This means you can spend less time worrying about starting a fire and more time cooking meals, staying warm, or enjoying cozy moments with friends and family. Lightweight and compact, the Fire Strip Roll is easy to carry in your backpack, camping kit, or survival bag. It's perfect for campfires, barbecues, fire pits, bonfires, or emergency situations, giving you a dependable flame wherever you go. Quechua Camp Bed Air. The Quechua Camp Bed Air is a inflatable camping bed designed to make sleeping outdoors much easier. Measuring about 200 x 70 centimeters and raised 25 centimeters off the ground, it keeps you away from cold, uneven, or rocky surfaces, giving you a proper night's sleep even in the wild. Unlike traditional sleeping mats, this camp bed gives you real support and comfort, perfect for long trips or weekend adventures. It's lightweight at around 3.8 kilograms and packs down into a compact bag, making it easy to carry in your car or backpack. You can even link two beds side by side to create a double setup if you're camping with a friend or partner. The bed works with a mattress up to 70 centimeters wide, which adds extra softness and cushioning. Inflating the bed is quick and simple with a hand pump, reaching just the right firmness for a comfortable sleep. Rapid Rope Utility Rope. The Rapid Rope Utility Rope is a strong, versatile, and reliable rope that's perfect for both outdoor adventures and everyday tasks. Whether you're camping, hiking, securing gear, or doing projects around the house, this rope makes everything easier and safer. Made from tough, durable materials, it resists fraying and won't break easily, even under heavy use or rough conditions. The rope is flexible and easy to handle, letting you tie knots quickly and securely. It's ideal for tying down tarps, making clotheslines, securing backpacks, bundling firewood, or creating makeshift handles. Its generous length gives you plenty of rope to work with while still being easy to coil up and carry in your backpack without taking up much space. Lightweight and dependable, the Rapid Rope Utility Rope is perfect for camping trips, backpacking, fishing, hunting, or any outdoor activity where you need a reliable rope. The Raptor XC is a powerful and stylish electric rope made for people who love speed, adventure, and freedom. It's built tough, giving you smooth rides on both city roads and rough trails. With its high-performance motor, the Raptor XC delivers strong acceleration and impressive torque, helping you climb hills and tackle off-road paths with ease. Its durable frame, advanced suspension, and wide tires make every ride stable and comfortable, no matter the terrain. The long-lasting battery gives you great range, so you can explore farther without worrying about charging often. It also features bright LED headlights for night rides, a clear digital display to track your stats, and reliable brakes for maximum safety. Sleek, modern, and practical, the Raptor XC is perfect for both daily commutes and outdoor adventures. Safari Connect. The Safari Connect is a modern electric adventure vehicle built for people who love exploring the outdoors in comfort and style. It combines the thrill of off-road travel with the benefits of eco-friendly technology. Powered by a strong electric motor, it offers smooth acceleration and excellent control on all kinds of terrain, from rocky trails to sandy paths. Its tough design and smart suspension make every ride stable and enjoyable. The Safari Connect also keeps you connected with intelligent navigation and smart connectivity features, so you can plan routes, track your journey, and stay updated wherever you go. Inside, it's packed with comfort. Adjustable seats, digital displays, and easy-to-use controls that make every trip relaxing. With its long-lasting battery and fast charging capability, you can travel farther without worry. It even supports solar charging, perfect for long outdoor adventures. Sawyer Mini Water Filter. The Sawyer Mini Water Filter is a small, lightweight, and powerful tool that makes clean drinking water easy wherever you go. Perfect for camping, hiking, traveling, or emergencies, it removes harmful bacteria and protozoa from rivers, lakes, streams, and other natural water sources, keeping you safe from illness. Despite its tiny size, it can filter thousands of gallons of water before needing a simple cleaning, making it reliable for long trips. Using the Sawyer Mini is simple and convenient. You can attach it to the included pouch, a squeeze bottle, or a hydration pack, or use the straw attachment to drink directly from a water source. Its compact design fits easily in your pocket, backpack, or survival kit without taking up space or adding weight. It doesn't need batteries or complicated setup. Just fill, squeeze, and drink.